What's up everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you how to swap from Ethereum USDT to Tron USDT using the depouch cross-chain DEX, and we're using MetaMask. So first thing you want to do is head on over to the depouch.com domain, make sure you're on the right website, then go ahead and press swap now, or swap up here, then go ahead and press connect wallet, select Ethereum and select MetaMask because we're sending USDT from the Ethereum chain with MetaMask and we're sending to Tron. So let's go ahead and search for USDT, select on the Ethereum network. Let's go ahead and search for USDT again, and then this time choose the Tron network. So make sure to pay attention to the network. You can read it and you can also see this little icon indicating which network it's on. Then go ahead and paste in our destination address and choose the amount of USDT we want to swap. So in my example, I just say $5. Okay, I need a bit more. Let's say $10. And there we go. So let's go ahead and press swap. So there's quite of a high outbound fee when we're sending to the Tron network, USDT on the Tron network. So that's why the slippage is a bit higher here, but that's okay. We can see it's because of the outbound fee. So you would want to swap a larger amount typically than $10 in order to have a very lower slippage. But it's okay, this is just a demonstration video. Anyway, let's go ahead and press confirm swap because all looks good to me. Okay, now we're into our MetaMask account. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and approve the spending of the USDT, and we actually recommend setting a high swap fee to ensure a smooth swap. So let's go ahead and change that to aggressive right here and press confirm. We can just close that. Then it says submitting transaction. Now we just have to wait a few seconds for that approval to go through. There we go. And now we need to send the USDT. So again, let's go ahead and change the network fee to aggressive to ensure a smooth swap. All looks good to me. So press confirm. There we go. We can just close that. Then it says submitting transaction. Then we just have to wait a few seconds for that to get broadcasted to the network and get on chain. There we go. Transaction submitted, and we can see our transaction list down here has updated. So we're swapping $10 on USDT on the Ethereum network, and we're receiving $4.2 on USDT on the Tron network. So let's just wait a few seconds for this swap to be completed. And there we go. Now this swap has been completed. So let's go ahead and check our Tron address. And indeed, we can see here that we have some USDT now, and we can see if we go to transfers right here, that we have received the USDT right here that corresponds to the amount we see in our transaction list. So we have now successfully taken our USDT on Ethereum and swapped it to USDT on the Tron network using MetaMask. So thanks for watching this video on how to swap using the depouch cross-chain DEX. Thanks for watching.